Welcome in a very quick and effective review. So News Tower is a 1930s New York newspaper management tycoon game, and you run a growing newsroom, hire staff, assign reporters, edit articles, typeset pages, and assemble full edition. I just want to say this game is like really insane. So unique concept, very rare theme, running a newspaper empire, great soundtrack, art deco visuals, like they really worked on this game. So it's like a mix of old school tycoon games and Sim Tower vertical management. Find stories, assign reporters, edit typeset, assemble print, as you can see right here. Also easy to learn but deep enough to stay engaging for many hours, meaningful management decisions, prioritizing which stories to chase each week. Also, tower building is also fun on how you can actually build everything, strong progression, and very polished for early access. So this game is like it's good, but cons, then after like 15-20 hours it can feel the cycle feels like similar. So this is something you have to be aware of. But there are like few kind of like limitations, like deleting old news requires too many clicks, hiring and comparing employees takes excessive navigating, but still it's like it's okay. And then also the limited consequences, so like printing lies, propaganda, or extreme stories often has only small penalties. This is like in real world. Some players also wish for bigger systematic reaction. And tower management friction, rearranging whole floors can be tedious, and the start fills with many items without strong filtering options. So this is something that I want to share with you. Hope this video provided you value, what you can actually expect, and have a great day and goodbye.